PSC നേഴ്സിൻ്റെ പുതിയ വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. പ്രീവിയസ് സോൾഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ് ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. 2/8/2017 നടന്ന ഓക്സിലറി നേഴ്സ് ആൻഡ് മിഡ്വൈഫ് ആൻഡ് ജൂനിയർ പബ്ലിക് ഹെൽത്ത് നേഴ്സ് എക്സാമിൻ്റെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ് ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ജനറൽ നോളജ് ഒഴിച്ചുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ ഇതിനകത്ത് ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നു. ഇതിൻ്റെ ഫസ്റ്റ് പാർട്ടാണ്. സെക്കൻഡ് പാർട്ട് നാളെ ഇടുന്നതായിരിക്കും. എല്ലാവരും നന്നായി പഠിക്കാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുക. പഠിക്കുന്ന എല്ലാവർക്കും ഞങ്ങൾ വിജയാശംസകൾ നേരുന്നു. നമുക്ക് വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. വേൾഡ് ബ്ലഡ് ഡൊണേഷൻ ഡേ ഈസ് ഓപ്ഷൻ എ May 14, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി June 14, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി July 14, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി August 14. Blood donation day is dash. June 14. Option B is right. Blood donation day is June 14. Total number of bones in newborn babies. Option A 250, option B 252, option C 270, option D 272. The number of bones in newborn babies 270. Option C is right. Total number of bones in newborn babies 270. Which provides nourishment for the embryo? Option A amniotic cavity, option B yolk sac, option C trophoblast, option D compact layer. Which provides nourishment for the embryo? Answer is yolk sac. Which provides nourishment for the embryo? Option yolk sac. Total number of lobes in placenta. Option A 20, option B 22, option C 24, option D 26. Total number of lobes in placenta 20. Option A is right. Total number of lobes in placenta is 20. Total number of lobes in placenta 20. If the total number of amniotic fluid exceeds dash, the condition is known as polyhydramnios. Option A 1500 ml, option B 1200 ml, option C 1000 ml, option D 800 ml. If the amount of amniotic fluid exceeds dash, the condition is known as polyhydramnios. Option A 1500 ml. 1500 ml. The average length of umbilical cord is option A 30 cm, option B 40 cm, option C 50 cm, option D 60 cm. The average length of umbilical cord is 50 centimeter. Option C is right. The average length of umbilical cord is 50 centimeters. The fetus passes urine from dash weeks of gestation. Option A 5 weeks. Option B 10 weeks. Option C 15 weeks. Option D 20 weeks. The fetus passes urine from dash weeks of gestation. The right answer is 15 weeks. The fetus passes urine from 15 weeks of gestation. The posterior fontanelle of the fetal skull is otherwise known as option A sinciput, option B brecma, option C volt, option D lambda. The posterior fontanelle of the fetal skull is otherwise known as option D is correct, lambda. The posterior fontanelle of the fetal skull is otherwise known as lambda. Premature suppression of a normally situated placenta is known as option A placenta previa, option B abortion, option C ectopic pregnancy, option D placental abruption. Premature suppression of a normally situated placenta is known as placenta abrasion. Option D is correct. Premature suppression of a normally situated placenta is known as placental abruption. Black water fever is dash. Black water fever is dash. Option A plague, option B dengue, option C malaria, option D AIDS. Black water fever is dash. Option A plague, option B dengue, option C malaria, and option D AIDS. Answer malaria. Black water fever is malaria. Dots treatment is related with the dash disease. Dots treatment is related with the disease. Option A polio, option B TB, option C hepatitis, option D cancer. Dots treatment is related with the disease. Answer TB. Dots treatment is related with the disease TB. Total amount of blood in adult human body male. Option A 5 liter, option B 8 liter, option C 10 liter, option D 12 liter. Total amount of blood in adult human body male. Option A 5 liter is correct answer. Total amount of blood in adult human body male. 5 liter. Total amount of blood in adult human body male. Answer option A 5 liter. Who invented ABO blood group? Option A Karl Landsteiner, option B James Slade, option C Edward Jenner, option D John Snow. Who invented ABO blood group? Option A Karl Landsteiner is the right answer. Who invented ABO blood group? Karl Landsteiner. Which hormone is known as emergency hormone? Which hormone is known as emergency hormone? Option A oxytocin, option B prolactin, option C adrenaline, option D thyroxine. Which hormone is known as emergency hormone? Option C is right. It is adrenaline. Which hormone is known as emergency hormone? Adrenaline. Fresh food vitamin is dash. Option A vitamin A, option B vitamin C, option C vitamin E, option D vitamin K. Fresh food vitamin is dash. Fresh food vitamin is vitamin C. Fresh food vitamin is vitamin C. Longest organ in the human body. Option A liver, option B femur, option C large intestine, option D skin. Largest organ in the human body. The right answer is option D skin. The largest organ in the body is skin. The largest organ in the body is skin. Other name of ear pain is option A myalgia, option B adenophagia, option C alopecia, option D otalgia. The other name of ear pain is option D is right, otalgia. The other name of ear pain is otalgia. Formation to tears begins at dash weeks. Formation to tears begins at dash weeks. Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. Formation of tears begins at option A is right answer 2. Formation of tears begins at second weeks. Formation of tears begins at second weeks. The study of bones is known as dash. A. Osteology, B. Hepatology, C. Cytology, D. Odontology. The study of bones is known as option A is right answer osteology. Study of bones is known as osteology. Study of bones is known as osteology. Inclusion of the cervical canal into the lower uterine segment is known as option A retraction, option B dilation, option C effacement, option D lightening. The right answer is option C effacement. Inclusion of the cervical canal into the lower uterine segment is known as effacement. Inclusion of the cervical canal into the lower uterine segment is known as effacement. Normal respiration is dash. Option A dyspnea, option B apnea, option C orthopnea, option D eupnea. Normal respiration is dash. Eupnea. Normal respiration is eupnea. Option D is right answer. In nursing process, statement of client's actual or potential problem is option A assessment, option B implementation, option C nursing diagnosis, option D evaluation. In nursing process, statement of client's actual or potential problem is nursing diagnosis. Option C is the right answer. In nursing process, statement of client's actual or potential problem is nursing diagnosis. When assessing rectal temperature, the position of the client is Option A, right lateral. Option B, left lateral. Option C, prone position. Option D, Fowler's position. When assessing rectal temperature, the position of the client is left lateral. Option B is the right answer. When assessing rectal temperature, the position of the client is when applying iceberg to a client with fever, heat is transmitted through dash. Option A, convection. Option B, radiation. Option C, evaporation. Option D, conduction. When applying ice bag to a client with a fever, heat is transmitted through conduction. Option D is right. When applying ice pack to a client with fever, heat is transmitted through conduction. Difference between axillary and rectal temperature is option A, 10 degrees Celsius. Option B, 10 degree Fahrenheit. Option C, 20 degrees Celsius. Option D, 2 degree Fahrenheit. Difference between axillary and rectal temperature is 2 degree Fahrenheit. Temperature between axillary and rectal temperature is 2 degree Fahrenheit. Destruction of all pathogenic organisms is called dash. Option A, asepsis. Option B, sterilization. Option C, bacteriostasis. Option D, disinfection. Destruction of all pathogenic organism is called dash. Option D is right. Disinfection. Destruction of all pathogenic organism is called disinfection. Destruction of all pathogenic organism is called disinfection. Test for bile salt in urine is known as dash. Option A, Hayes test. Option B, Rothera's test. Option C, Smith test. Option D, Benedict test. Test for bile salt in urine is known as Hayes test. Option A is right. Test for bile salt in urine is known as Hayes test. Pea soup stools present in option A, cholera. Option B, sprue. Option C, typhoid. Option D. Plague. Pea soup stools present in option C. Typhoid fever is the right answer. Pea soup stools present in typhoid fever. Pea soup stool present in typhoid fever. Stiffening of the body after death is known as dash. Option A. Postmortem hypostasis. Option B. Autolysis. Option C. Rigor mortis. Option D. Gangrenous. Stiffening of the body after death is known as rigor mortis. Option C is the right answer. Stiffening of the body after death is known as rigor mortis. Inflammation of the tongue is known as option A. Psoas. Option B. Glossitis. Option C. Stomatitis. Option C. Stomatitis. Option D. Chiliosis. Inflammation of the tongue is known as glossitis. Inflammation of the tongue is known as glossitis. Increased convexity in the thoracic spine is known as dash. Increased convexity in the thoracic spine is known as dash. Option A. Lordosis. Option B. Kyphosis. Option D. Scoliosis. Option C. Scoliosis. Option D. Contracture. Increased convexity in the thoracic spine is known as kyphosis. Increased convexity in the thoracic spine is known as kyphosis. Increased convexity in the thoracic spine is known as kyphosis. Normal body mass index is dash. Normal body mass index is dash. Option A 16.5 to 18.5. Option B 18.5 to 24.5. Option C 24.5 to 26.5. Option D 20.5 to 22.5. Normal body mass index is 18.5 to 24.5. Option B is the right answer. Normal body mass index is 18.5 to 24.5. In anuria, urine output is less than dash. In anuria, urine output is less than dash. Option A 100 ml. Option B 200 ml. Option C 300 ml. Option D 400 ml. In anuria, urine output is less than 100 ml. Option A is the right answer. In anuria, urine output is less than 100 ml. Temperature used in Swiss bath is dash. Option A 100 degree Fahrenheit to 105 degree Fahrenheit. Option B 105 degree Fahrenheit to 110 degree Fahrenheit. Option C 110 degree Fahrenheit to 115 degree Fahrenheit. Option D 115 degree Fahrenheit to 120 degree Fahrenheit. The temperature used in Swiss bath is, option A is the right answer, 100 degree Fahrenheit to 105 degree Fahrenheit. 100 degree Fahrenheit to 105 degree Fahrenheit. Fear of aging is known as dash. Fear of aging is known as dash. Option A gerontophobia. Option B xenophobia. Option C acrophobia. Option D algophobia. Fear of aging is known as dash. Option A gerontophobia is the right answer. Fear of aging is known as gerontophobia. 1 ounce is equal to dash. Option A 15 ml. Option B 20 ml. Option C 25 ml. Option D 30 ml. 1 ounce is equal to 30 ml. 1 ounce is equal to 30 ml. National Leprosy Eradication Program was launched in dash. National Leprosy Eradication Program was launched in dash. Option A 1972. Option B 1973. Option C 1982. Option D 1983. National Leprosy Eradication Program was launched in 1983. National Leprosy Eradication Program was launched in 1983. national leprosy eradication program was launched in 1983. Health Survey and Development Committee is known as dash. Health Survey and Development Committee is known as dash. Option A, Mudaliar Committee. Option B, Boer Committee. Option C, Chanda Committee. Option D, Mukherjee Committee. Health Survey and Development Committee is known as Boer Committee. Health Survey and Development Committee is known as Boer Committee. Option B is the right answer. Health Survey and Development Committee is known as Boer Committee. World Health Day is dash. Option A, April 7. Option B, April 9. Option C, May 7. Option D, May 9. World Health Day is April 7. World Health Day is April 7. Option A is the right answer. World Health Day is April 7. Lifespan of RBC is dash. Lifespan of RBC is dash. Option A, 80 days. Option B, 100 days. Option C, 110 days. Option D, 120 days. Lifespan of RBC is dash. Option D, 120 days is right answer. Lifespan of RBC is 120 days. Lifespan of RBC is 120 days. Structural and functional unit of skeletal muscle is known as option A, sarcomere. Option B, myofibril. Option C, troponin. Option D, actin. Structural and functional unit of skeletal muscle is known as sarcomere. Structural and functional unit of skeletal muscle is known as sarcomere. Acute viral infection affecting the parotid gland is known as dash. Option A, rubella. Option B, tetanus. Option C, diphtheria. Option D, mumps. Acute viral infection affecting the parotid gland is known as mumps. Acute viral infection is affecting the parotid gland is known as mumps. Acute viral infection affecting the parotid gland is known as mumps. Vomiting center is dash. Option A cerebrum. Option B cerebellum. Option C hypothalamus. Option D medulla oblongata. Vomiting center is dash. Option D is the right answer. Medulla oblongata. Vomiting center is dash. Medulla oblongata. Normal glomerular filtration rate is dash. Option A 115 ml per minute. Option B 125 ml per minute. Option C 135 ml per minute. Option D 145 ml per minute. Normal glomerular filtration rate is 125 ml per minute. Normal glomerular filtration rate is 125 ml per minute. Islets of Langerhans is not secrete the following hormone. Option A insulin. Option B glucagon. Option C calcitonin. Option D somatostatin. Islets of Langerhans is not secrete the following hormone. Option C calcitonin is the right answer. Islets of Langerhans is not secrete the following hormone. Calcitonin. Bone formation is known as dash. Option A osteoblast. Option B osteocyte. Option C osteoclasts. Option D osteoporosis. Bone formation is known as osteoblast. Option A is the right answer. Bone formation is known as osteoblast. Bone formation is known as osteoblast. Macula lutea is known as dash. Option A yellow spot. Option B blind spot. Option C red spot. And option D white spot. Macula lutea is known as dash. Yellow spot. Macula lutea is known as yellow spot. The macula or macula lutea, from Latin macula means spot, lutea means yellow, is an oval shaped highly pigmented yellow spot near the center of the retina. It has a diameter of around 6 mm and is often histologically defined as having two or more layers of ganglion cells. The macula or macula lutea, from Latin macula means spot, lutea means yellow, is an oval shaped, highly pigmented yellow spot near the center of the retina. It has a diameter around 6 mm and is often histologically defined as having two or more layers of ganglion cells. Myopia is corrected with dash. Option A, convex lens. Option B, cylindrical lens. Option C, convex glass. And option D, concave lens. Myopia is corrected with the concave lens. Myopia is corrected with the concave lens. Lockjaw is seen in dash. Option A, diphtheria. Option B, pertussis. Option C, tetanus. Option D, polio. Lockjaw is seen in dash. Tetanus. Lockjaw is seen in tetanus. Pacemaker of the heart is dash. Options A, atrium. B, synod. C, ventricle. D, myocardium. Pacemaker of the heart is dash. Synod. Pacemaker of the heart is synod. Pacemaker of the heart is synod. Visual acuity tested at dash feet. Option A, 15. Option B, 20. Option C, 25. Option D, 30. Visual acuity tested at dash feet. 20 feet. Visual acuity is tested at 20 feet. Length of the spinal cord is dash. Option A, 40 centimeter. Option B, 45 centimeter. Option C, 15 centimeter. Option D, 55 centimeter. Length of spinal cord is 45 centimeter. Length of spinal cord is 45 centimeter. Most comfortable position of the diaphragm is dash. Option A, standing. Option B, lying. Option C, walking. And option D, sitting. Most comfortable position of the diaphragm is dash. Sitting. Most comfortable position of the diaphragm is dash. Sitting. Bluish discoloration of vagina is known as option A, Cullen sign. Option B, Chadwick sign. Option C, Jacquemus sign. Option D, Gödel sign. Bluish discoloration of vagina is known as Jacquemus sign. Bluish discoloration of vagina is known as Jacquemus sign. The golden color of the amniotic fluid is due to dash. A, RH incompatibility. B, intrauterine death. C, meconium stain. D, post-maturity. The golden color of the amniotic fluid is due to dash. RH incompatibility. The golden color of the amniotic fluid is due to RH incompatibility. Cullen sign is a hemorrhagic discoloration of the umbilical area due to intraperitoneal hemorrhage from any cause. One of the more frequent causes is acute hemorrhagic panniculitis. Gray Turner sign is a discoloration of the left flank associated with the acute hemorrhagic pancreatitis. Cullen sign is a hemorrhagic discoloration of the umbilical area due to intraperitoneal hemorrhage from any cause. One of the more frequent cause is acute hemorrhagic panniculitis. Then next, Gray Turner sign is a discoloration of the left flank associated with the acute hemorrhagic pancreatitis. One sign is Cullen sign and other sign is Gray Turner sign. Gray Turner sign present with the acute hemorrhagic pancreatitis. Trisomy 21 is a otherwise known as dash. Option A, Turner syndrome. Option B, Klinefelter syndrome. Option C, Erb's palsy. Option D, Down syndrome. Trisomy 21 is otherwise known as option D, Down syndrome is the right answer. Trisomy 21 is otherwise known as Down syndrome. Trisomy 21 is otherwise known as Down syndrome. Dash is the first choice of nutrients for all low birth weight babies. Option A, human milk. Option B, dextrose 5%. Option C, tender coconut water. Dash is the first choice of nutrient for low birth weight babies. Human milk. Human milk is the first choice of nutrients for all the low birth weight babies. Inflammation of the uterine tube is known as dash. Inflammation of the uterine tube is known as dash. Option A, parametritis. Option B, mastitis. Option C, salpingitis. Option D, endometriosis. Inflammation of the uterine tube is known as salpingitis. Option C is the right answer. Inflammation of the uterine tube is known as salpingitis. Mastitis is the inflammation of the breast. Mastitis is the inflammation of the breast. Endometriosis is inflammation of the endometrium. Inflammation of the uterine tube is known as salpingitis. Dash is deficient development of the vault of the skull and brain. Dash is the deficient development of the vault of the skull and brain. Option A hydrocephalus. Option B anencephaly. Option A anencephaly. Option B microcephala. Dash is the deficient development of the vault of the skull and brain. Anencephaly. Option C is the right answer. Anencephaly is a deficient development of the vault of the skull and brain. One of the absolute sign of pregnancy is option A fetal heart sound, option B amenorrhea, option C change in size and shape of uterus, option D abdominal enlargement. One of the absolute sign of pregnancy is fetal heart sound. One of the absolute sign of pregnancy is fetal heart sound. Dash denotes a pregnant state both present and past respective of the period of gestation. Option A parity, option B nullipara, option C nulli gravida, option D gravida. That denotes the pregnant state of both present and past respective of the period of gestation. Option D gravida is the right answer. Gravida denotes the pregnant state both present and past respective of the period of gestation. A viscid whitish discharge from vagina is termed as dash. A show, B leukorrhea, C lochia, D galactorrhea. A viscous whitish discharge from vagina is termed as leukorrhea. A viscous whitish discharge from vagina is termed as leukorrhea. The hormone is responsible for milk ejection. Option A progesterone, option B oxytocin, option C estrogen, option D HCG. Which hormone is responsible for milk ejection? Oxytocin. Option B is the right.
താങ്ക്സ് ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്. PSC നേഴ്സിൻ്റെ വീഡിയോകൾ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്നവർ ഈ ചാനൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുകയും നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായങ്ങളും നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങളും കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുകയും ചെയ്യുക. വീഡിയോ കാണുന്നവർ ഈ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുകയും ഫ്രണ്ട്സിന് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുകയും ചെയ്യുക. ധാരാളം വീഡിയോസ് PSC നേഴ്സ് എന്ന ഈ ചാനൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നു. വീഡിയോസ് റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് കാണാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുക. അത് നിങ്ങളുടെ ഓർമ്മയെ കൂടുതൽ ശക്തിപ്പെടുത്തും. നന്നായി പഠിക്കുന്ന എല്ലാവർക്കും ഞങ്ങൾ വിജയാശംസകൾ നേരുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.